Defense Minister Honorable Opamchinguri is paying 25,000 US dollar to a victim of brutal army shootings as compensation for injuries inflicted on his eye when soldiers fired bullets to suppress anti-government protests in August 2018. Sarabina mashoko kuda panguva ina chinokonzi August 1 shootings return to haunt Mnangagwa regime. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamubuda nyowa mchinze. Zakeyo Mutimuri who in 2018 worked for Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Unions ZCTU, sued Defense Minister Opamchinguri, Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazimbe and ZRP Commissioner General Stephen Mtamba for damages after some glass particles got into his eyes when armed soldiers shot at building house his offices on 1 August 2018 while dispersing some people who were protesting against alleged electoral malpractices during the harmonized elections. Mutimutema sustained some injuries and partially lost his eyesight after a stray bullet fired by members of the Zimbabwe National Army who were dispersing some people protesting against the delay in the release of the presidential election results shattered glasses of windows to his office at Colon House. The labor law specialist yet to undergo 3 unsuccessful surgeries to remove the fine glass particles that pierced his eyes after a bullet fired by soldiers shattered glasses windows at his ZCTU office. Mutimurema, who was represented by Obeshava of Zimbabwe Lawyers of Human Rights, had initially been awarded 295,000 Zimbabwean dollar as damages in November 2020 as damages for pain and suffering, medical expenses and general damages, which Muchinguri Kazembe and Mtamba had reneged on paying. On Tuesday, 29 July 2025, Mutimutema was a relieved man after Honorable Mchinguri agreed to pay the labor law specialist 25,000 US dollar as compensation for damages for current and future medical expenses, pain and suffering, and general damages. Mashoko aripo panguva ine hatikunoti aiwa the Mnangagwa regime panguva ino yokude mari yakandi yakawandisa nekuda kwenegligence nekurambira vachistaya on to power. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Wabva nayo comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.